You see that I'm becoming lovely. Oh.
Because the food is hot.
It is, so let me say that. Okay, I'll drink water, then you drink juice. Okay.
No, the food is hot. I want you to take water. So the food will not burn.
Imela.
The food is hot. That's why I'm giving you water.
Imela okaka. Imela chineke.
If you are eating hot food, you have to drink water so it will not burn your mouth.
Imela okaka.
Hi family, welcome to another mukbang video. Welcome to another eating show. Welcome family, welcome to another interesting video. Today we're having pounded yam. We're having pounded yam and spinach.
It's called white man. White man.
And we're having spinach pepper soup with mackerel fish. So let's get started. But first of all, don't forget to pray. You'll pray today.
Father, we declare that we love you. We declare for our... Oh, no, worship God now. Father, we declare that we love you. We declare for an everlasting love for you. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Let's eat.
Father, bless.
I've prayed now. I've prayed. You can worship God or you can pray. They're all the same thing.
Okay, guys, let's do it.
It's not the same. You can choose to worship God. Even God prefer worship than prayer.
When was the last time you guys had pounded yam? Pounded yam is one of the special delicacies of countries in West Africa and even East Africa, because I saw some people eating this when I went to East Africa. You get that, to be precise.
It's hot to
spinach pepper soup. It's so yummy.
For you guys, it's hot.
It's so good.
Yeah, it's nice.
I just love the pounded yam. It's so soft. I love the consistency. Pounded yam in Canada. Oh.
I'm moving this so people can see my face. The pounded yam.
It's a fall down.
The thing.
It's all for.
No. The thing was covering my face, so. Hey. Oh, this is fire on the mountain. This is mountain, this is fire coming from the mountain. Yes, now. There is fire on the mountain. Run. This one is fire. This was the exact fire they were referring to. Yeah, it looks like mountain and then there is smoke coming up from it. I have a father that will never ever fail me. I have a father that will never ever fail me. Oh. I have a father, oh. I have a father, oh.
What happened?
God of mercy, you never ever fail. Did they try me? The Bible said temptation will come, right? Temptation will come. And when the temptation come, just keep singing song. You see the temptation don't go so happy. I did not say anything. See the way the thing just quietly pass out. So your plan now for me to start reacting, Abi? And you don't fail. You don't fail, oh. Me react again. Okay. If you like, eat the whole fish. I'll not go talk. See how she arranged juice for herself. And nothing for me. Nothing for me. You guys should be the judge. let's know who is good and who is bad this time around.
So hot.
It's very hot. Hey.
If it were a flat plate, it would have been cold.
Oh. Take now, take.
Thank you.
You see that I'm becoming lovely. Oh.
Because the food is hot.
It is, let me say that. Okay, I'll drink water, then you drink juice. Okay.
No, the food is hot. I want you to take water. So the food will not burn.
Emaila, oh.
The food is hot. That's why I'm giving you water.
Emaila, oh, kaka. Emaila, chineke, oh.
If you are eating hot food, you have to drink water so it will not burn your mouth.
Emaila, oh, kaka, oh. Emaila, chineke, oh. I go, not me, I go win. I will win, don't worry.
But is it a bad thing to give you water? You cannot even appreciate.
I will win. You don't know how to drink water, right? I will win. Definitely I'll win, I know. I will win. I'm very sure and I'm ready to win.
So hot.
You're trying to be a good husband, someone is busy setting trap for you.
That's for me. That's mine. Thank you. Why is it so hot now?
Someone is setting trap for you. I will win, don't be me. I must win. Hi, this is really hot machine. Hi. Hello.
So hot.
How did you make this kind of thing? No, it's good, it's good. Why did I complain now? I shouldn't complain now. I almost complained, sorry. I didn't want to complain. I don't know when my mouth. Should I eat fish? I can eat fish, right? Okay. I have to get approval first. I have to get approval though.
This fish is different because I did not wrap it with foil paper when I was baking it. I grilled it directly, like open grill.
It's nice.
This one is crisp. It's more crispier. It's more crispier than the one we don't make before.
Every day, remind you. Hey. Oh.
But is the fish doing like it's salty?
A bit. It's salt. Oh, no, it's not salt. It's good. Hey, I nearly commit sin now. I nearly commit sin. Oh, guys, forgive me. Oh, sorry. The fish is delicious. It's nice.
No, I'm just asking.
It's nice. It's not salty. Which kind of salt? It's not salty. If you have salt, add self. It's nice. I nearly commit sin, guys. I'm so sorry. I almost commit sin. But you said that it's asking me this kind of questions. So you're trying to, are you becoming this thing?
I feel there's a little bit of more salt. Like previously, when I'm grilling the fish, I wrap it in the foil paper. But this time around, when I was grilling it, I did not wrap it in the foil paper. I exposed it, so it's like an open grill. So I think it dried up the salt. So I feel salt. That's what I'm asking.
Do you feel salt? I don't feel salt. It's normal. It's normal.
You're not feeling salt?
I'm not feeling anything. It's normal. It is very delicious. Maybe this food is delicious.
I'm sweating now.
This is the Canada that they said is very good. We are sweating. We are sweating.
That's my summer. Summer.
Oh, we have to put this in Canada. This fish is tasting very nice.
One one that is a bit salty.
Tasting so nice.
It's not salty.
Hunter used to hunt animal. Now animal is hunting hunter. Animal is hunting hunter. Hunter. Now animal is hunting hunter, not hunter hunting animal. Is well. Is well. Cheers now.
It's finished.
Cheers,
I finished
cheers,
it.
cheers. Guys, this is my own drink. Oh, see my drink. Cheers.
Thank you, beautiful family. Thank you for joining us in demolition this food.
Thank you, guys.
We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.
Bye. Three times now. Make it 3 times.